But somehow we got perfectly lucky on this. We added to it, I lost. I got a little windier, tuning a little bit lower. And when we took away,
Can I go in?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a fur build right here. This is cool. But you don't have fur on the top, so
Yeah, I did at first, but I actually lost. Believe it or not, I lost.
by adding working on the roof.
Well, I had all of this was fur.
Okay.
And I was afraid that I was going to lose, but as soon as I did it, I lost like a whole dB from just having fur up there. I was like, what in the world? Even though there was wood underneath the fur.
Was it blocking your port some a little right here?
It was, and I think that was mainly the issue.
So what's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name is Reese. I've got 4 EVL 15s and a 4th order band pass. It is a 3-to-1 ratio. And the port is tuned to about 50 hertz. It's kind of hard to tell. But I'm peaking at 44 in the kick. My sealed peak is 37 hertz. And I'm doing a 56 in the kick, 56.3 in the kick, and a 53.7 on the dash seal. My band pass is around 22 to 60 hertz out of 50. So, yep.
That's a pretty good score for the single amp you have right
Single
now.
SK 4500 on 120 amp hours of lithium and a 320 amp alt. That's pretty much it.
That's good, man. Have you already done any kind of port work to know this is the right one?
This was exactly how Peyton designed this entire enclosure. But somehow we got perfectly lucky on this. We added to it, I lost. I got a little windier, tuning a little bit lower. And when we took away, I lost again.
Oh.
So I was like, man, that's crazy. We made it perfect. So
it looks about right for 415s. Yeah.
It should be pretty perfect. I don't know the exact measurement of the port, but
it was tuned to low mid 40s.
Yeah, when we first got done with it, somehow my tuning's changed, and I think it's the roof. But when we first got done with it, I didn't have a roof, and I was doing about it was tuned to like 50 something.
Yeah.
And now it's tuned a lot lower than it was.
Okay.
So.
And the only other question I have for you is, have you done any kind of bracing here before?
Yeah, I did a brace, and I just got to finishing this roof probably a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
And after I put this brace in, I was like, of course I'm going to gain, but I did not gain.
Didn't gain with it?
Surprisingly, I lost a couple somehow. I don't know if it kind of lights that little bit of flex that it has, even though there's 3 sheets of virgin here. Yeah. It somehow lights it.
So you might have gained on the low end, but you lost on the high end.
Yeah.
You never know. You usually sacrifice depending on what you're going for. So yeah. Awesome. Nice build, man. I like it. Yes, and it's a 3-to-1 ratio 4th order. Do you know your sealed section size?
Sealed section is 7 cubes, and a ported section is 21.
21. Awesome.
7 and 21.
All right. Perfect 3-to-1.
Yes, sir.
Hey, have a good day, man.
Alrighty, you too.
Awesome.
But I'll give you.
Yeah, I'd love to hear, man.
Let's see. I'll give you some Katie. No, Taylor Swift.
Your USB's gonna pop.
Yes. It just.
That's not good. No. You have the same problem Peyton was having. always does it.
It just started doing this today.
Man,
It's probably that USB. It changed the song on me. Yeah, things bad. Let's see. And my voltage, man. I tried to find a voltage regulator so I could get up to correct volts, but it's impossible because I've got a 2 cents alt plug. So I don't really know if there's a way to put diodes in or put a voltage regulator. I'm not sure. But I'm only charging with a 320 amp alternator. I'm only charging. It doesn't charge. It takes forever to charge up, but I think it stops at about 13.7.
Man.
So it's kind of annoying.
Yeah, that affects your power too.
Yeah, for sure. I'm sure if I was at 15 or so, I'd probably be doing a little bit better, but it likes it. Let's see this one.
Awesome. Hey man, I got enough footage. I really appreciate the demo, man. Nice to meet you. What was your name again?
I'm Reese.
Reese. Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate it, Reese.
Alrighty.
Nice job, man. And the only other question I have for you is, have you done any kind of bracing here before?
Yeah, I did a brace, and I just got to finishing this roof probably a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
And after I put this brace in, I was like, of course I'm going to gain, but I did not gain.
Didn't gain with it?
Surprisingly, I lost a couple somehow. I don't know if it kind of lights that little bit of flex that it has because there's 3 sheets of merchant here. Yeah. It somehow lights it.
So you might have gained on the low end, but you lost on the high end.
Yeah.
You never know. You usually sacrifice depending on what you're going for. So yeah. Awesome. Nice build, man. I like it. Yes, and it's a 3-to-1 ratio 4-thorder. Do you know your sealed section size?
Sealed section is 7 cubes, and ported section is 21.
21. Awesome.
7 and 21.
All right. Perfect 3-to-1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, have a good day, man.
Alrighty, you too. It just started. Hey. I have to hold it.
I'll hold it.
It just. Oh man.
That's not good.
No.
You have the same problem Peyton was having. awesome. Hey man, I got enough.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.